Welcome to Vision Academy. In this video, I am going to show you how to create stunning YouTube thumbnails using AI for free. Thumbnails are the first thing people notice when they scroll through YouTube, and having the right thumbnail can make the difference between someone clicking your video or skipping it. Before we begin, let's have a quick look at the thumbnails generated. As you can see, these thumbnails are eye-catching, professional, and look like they've been designed by a graphic designer. But in reality, they were all created in just a few minutes using free AI tools. In this tutorial, I will take you step by step and show you exactly how to create thumbnails like these. Even if you don't have any design skills, by the end of this video, you'll be able to create professional quality thumbnails for your own YouTube videos in minutes. So, let's get started. Open your browser and search for Gemini AI. Click on the official link that appears at the top of the search results. Once the page opens, click on the Sign In button. Use your Gmail account to sign in. This makes the process simple and secure. Once you are logged in, you will see a text box on the home screen that says Ask Gemini. This is where you can type in your request. In the text box, type the following. Give me a prompt to generate a YouTube video thumbnail featuring a young man with a shocked expression on the left-hand side, sample thumbnail images on the right-hand side, and the text, "Wow, easy thumbnails." Then, hit the Submit button. Gemini will take a few moments to generate the response. Be patient because it is processing and trying to give you the best possible thumbnail prompt. Once the prompt is generated, carefully copy it. Now paste this prompt back into the Gemini text box. But this time, instead of the default text mode, choose the Create Images option from the Tools section. Once selected, hit the Submit button. Wait a few seconds while Gemini generates your image. And here it is. The image looks good, but there's one small issue. It is not in the 16:9 ratio, which is the standard aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnails. That's okay. We can easily fix this. Go to Google and search for Expand Image Free AI. Click on the first link that appears. On the page, upload the image that you just downloaded from Gemini. Once uploaded, look for the Aspect Ratio drop-down menu. Click on it and select 16:9. Now hit the Generate button. Wait a few seconds and you will see your image transformed into a proper 16:9 ratio. If you're not happy with the result, you can simply click on the Regenerate button to try again. Once you're satisfied, click on the Download button to save the new thumbnail to your computer. Now, you have a perfectly sized 16:9 thumbnail that is ready to be used on YouTube. But before we finish, I want to give you a bonus tip. This will help you enhance the quality of your image and make it even sharper. Open another browser tab and search for imgupscaler. Click on the first link that appears. On the home page, you will see an option to upload or drag and drop your image. Upload the thumbnail image you just downloaded from Gemini. Scroll down a little and you will see the upscaling options. Here, you can choose the percentage by which you want to increase the quality and resolution of your image. The options usually include 200% or 400%. I will choose 400% for maximum clarity. Now click on the Upload and Start button. Wait a few moments while the tool processes your image. Once it is done, you can download the enhanced image. Let's open both the original image and the enhanced image side by side to compare. You can clearly see that the enhanced image is much sharper, clearer, and looks more professional. This small step can make a huge difference in how your thumbnails look on YouTube. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, we created a professional YouTube thumbnail using Gemini AI, adjusted it to the proper 16:9 ratio with a free Expand Image tool, and finally, enhanced its resolution with imgupscaler. All of this was completely free and done within minutes. So think about this. Every time you upload a video, you can use this exact process to create eye-catching thumbnails. No need to hire designers or spend hours inside complex software. With AI tools like Gemini, free aspect ratio expanders, and image upscalers, you can produce thumbnails that grab attention, get more clicks, and grow your channel faster. So, the next time you prepare to upload your video, remember, the thumbnail is your first impression. Make it count. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please like this video, share it with other creators, and subscribe to Vision Academy for more tutorials on AI tools and content creation strategies. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.